In this video, I'll guide you through how to deactivate Protonmail. We'll go step by step, starting from the home page and ending at the account section where deactivation options are managed. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can confidently move toward closing or deactivating your account if that's what you decide to do. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Protonmail website by typing the main address into the address bar and pressing enter. Give the page a moment to load. If you're not already signed in, log into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one, because account changes affect that specific inbox, its messages and settings. Once you're signed in and you can see your inbox, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a small gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. This is where Protonmail keeps most of the controls for how your account works. Move your cursor over that gear icon and click it. If the layout has changed slightly, you may see it labeled as settings, but it will still look like a gear and still be in that upper right area. After clicking the gear icon, a quick settings panel or menu will appear. This usually shows some of the more common options first, like appearance, general preferences, or basic account information. What you need, though, is the full settings area. Look for an option labeled All Settings. It's typically listed near the top or side of that panel. Go ahead and click All Settings. This will open a more detailed settings page in the main part of the screen. On this full settings page, you'll see a navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side, with different categories. These might include things like dashboard, security, filters, and similar options. Here, you want to locate the section labeled Account and Password. This is where Protonmail keeps your core account controls, including personal details, login information, and access to features related to modifying or deactivating your account. Click on Account and Password. Once you're in the Account and Password section, take a moment to review the options on the page. Protonmail may present areas for changing your password, updating recovery methods, or managing your subscription. Somewhere in this section, there will be controls related to account status, which is where deactivation or deletion features usually live. Before you proceed with any final action, it's a good idea to make sure you've backed up any important emails or contacts and that you've updated other services that might be using this email address for logins or password recovery. Deactivation is often permanent or difficult to reverse, so double check that you're ready. From here, follow the on-screen prompts specific to deactivating or closing your account. Carefully read any warnings or confirmations Protonmail displays so you understand what will happen to your messages and access once the process is complete. When you're sure, confirm your choices as instructed on the page. That's the full path. You go to the Protonmail website, open the settings with the gear icon at the top right, select All Settings, then choose Account and Password, and from there you can move forward with deactivation following Protonmail's instructions on your screen.